Hello, this is Bill with Money for Coffee. Today I'm going to show you how to use GetResponse Edit Opt-in Form. That's how to use GetResponse Edit Opt-in Form. Okay, if you don't already have GetResponse, I'll have a link down below the video in the description. It's completely free. You don't need any form of payment. But I already have an account, so I'll just go on to GetResponse and log in. Just takes a minute here. Okay, once you're on the dashboard, you just want to go to the top and you want to click on Tools. And you want to scroll down and then you want to click on Landing Pages. Now I already have a landing page set up, so I have other videos on that, but this is just how to use GetResponse Edit Opt-in Form. So just how to basically edit the opt-in form that you already have. So here's a landing page. So you just come over to the right and there's these three little dots. And you just scroll over that and then you want to come up and hit Edit Page. Just click on it. Like I said, I have other videos to show you how to set up your landing page, but this is just how to edit the landing page. Okay, so here's a landing page. All right, and it's I'll show you how to edit the opt-in. Okay, so here's the opt-in form right here, and I'll just show you how to add that. So we'll just click up here, and we'll delete it. Okay, so now there's no opt-in form. So you just come over here to this little tool. And this lets you put in anything you want, like text, image. So you just click on Static Forms. And then just kind of drag it over. Okay, we'll pull this up a little bit. And to move it, to resize it, you just grab these little blocks. And you gotta kind of play with it. Like you can move these up and down. You can kind of play with this. You just got to play around with it and kind of position it where you want. Okay, now to edit the actual form, you just click up here, like at the top, and you'll come to this form. It says Web Form Fields. Just click on that. Okay, and then you can change, instead of having your name, you can have first and last name, and you can make them required if you want, and just hit OK. So that, that's up to you. And you can also move these around. Just grab it. You gotta move this one up. Okay, kind of like that. So it's very easy to edit. There, you can do it like that if you want. And then say you're like, nah, I don't want this. I don't want last name. Just delete it. So it's very easy, and then you can just move this up. So, and then let's go back to the form, web form fields here. Click on it. Okay, so we just have first name and email, and you can put, if, like I said, if you want the first name required, you could put that, or you could get rid of that. It's up to you how you want to customize your form, your opt-in form. And then there's the consent fields. Okay, if you decide you want to do that, I'll show you what that looks like. Basically, it's when you have after you sign up with your name and your email, it'll have little check marks where you can put something like, yes, please send me coupons. Yes, please send me the latest offers, whatever you want to make it. And to find out how to do that, you just click on Learn How to Do, and they have GetResponse has like a 2-minute video. I was going to make one, but they do a good job, and it's only a couple minutes. And you can put those in there. I haven't seen too many people do that. I've seen some bigger companies do that, but a lot of smaller companies, individuals, and marketers, I haven't seen do that. So, okay, like I said, that's pretty easy to do. And let me see what else here. Hit OK. You can just change the color. Just double click on it. You can change the font style. You can change the size. You can change the color of the button. Oh, also, I wanted to show you. Let me see. Okay. If you go to these, it's like a paintbrush and a pencil, and just double click on that. You can also change, you can round the button if you'd like. Make it a little bit of round, round instead of square. Okay, something I discovered. Once in a while, for some reason, this button, if you click on it, I think this one here is working fine, but every once in a while you can't change. This one's working fine, but every once in a while I've noticed you can't change the color, or also this will, like, see how it's spacing here? The spacing will lock up. And the way I found to fix that is just come on here and delete it, and then go over here and just put a new form in. So yeah, if you have any of this, any time the button, you can't change the color or the text freezes up, the easiest way is just delete whatever you're dealing with. If it's this, just delete it and put a new one in. It works every time. As I said, I contacted GetResponse, and they said, oh, they didn't have the problem. They didn't know what I was talking about. But I played around with it. Like I said, just delete it and then bring the new form in, or the new button in, whatever you're working with on whatever type of landing page, and it works every time. So that's a cool hack. At first, that was driving me crazy. So that's pretty cool. Let me show you too. That's how to edit the opt-in. And then also, any of this, you just double click on it, and you can type in here. It's what you see is what you get. You just click on it and type whatever you want. You can change the color of the font. You can delete this and bring another image. You can bring an image in here, or you can, any of these tools you can just drag and drop over anything you want to edit. But this video is really about how to use GetResponse edit opt-in form. So I showed you guys how to do the form, and that's pretty much it to it. I mean, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That way you can, if you ever want to reference it, you can find it in your liked videos. And sometimes I always like any video that I find helpful, because it's easy to find. Because I've had several in the past where I couldn't find them. But yeah, like I said, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And also, I have a link if you want to sign up for GetResponse. It's completely free, no payments required. All right, guys, take care, and thank you.